When someone sends you a message on Twitter, for whatever reason, the person deletes this message. Are you curious? You want to know what the message is all about? You know it's not possible, right? Is it? At the end of this video, I will show you how you can read deleted messages on Twitter. So when next someone sends you a message, you receive this message, for whatever reason the person deletes the message, you can still see, recover, and read the message. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Let's get started. We'll be achieving this with the aid of an app. So head to the store now, install this app, open it, and let's begin. Here you have to select the app to monitor. In this case, you are choosing Twitter. This is how this app works. You will receive a message, the message gets deleted, this app will recover the message. Here you have to allow notification access, allow backup to audio, video, and photos. Allow notification access, allow. So when next someone sends you a message on Twitter and deletes it, be it video, text, photo, or a GIF, the message will be shown here, even if this message has been deleted or unsent or removed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.